How old are you, sir?
21. Nah.
What do you do for a living?
Stay at home.
Mr. Alley, you're charged with interference with duties of a public servant. This case is now 378 days old. You have been given PR bond after PR bond.
Officer was dispatched to a meet firefighter response call and met with the defendant's mother, who reported to the fire department that she was pushed by her son. The complainant did not feel pain when she was pushed, and the officer was advised the defendant was locked inside the bathroom. When the defendant walked out of the bathroom, he walked past the officer and stated that he was leaving. The officer grabbed the defendant by his right wrist to detain him for a family violence investigation, and he forcefully pulled his right arm away from the officer. A second officer pushed the defendant onto a bed to detain him. So the defendant sat up and stated, "I will punch you," and then swung at the second officer with a closed fist, but did not make contact. The defendant then ran out of the sliding glass patio door and onto a third floor balcony, where he jumped over the third floor balcony and fell to the ground below, got up and ran away. Approximately 50 minutes later, the defendant was located at a park inside the apartment complex, and the defendant was taken into custody.
Okay. Are you taking medication, Mr. Alley? Is he taking it? Are you sure?
I'm the one, is his caretaker, which is I think he was medicine. Take him to a psychiatrist to go regular. Marquise, did you tell him that?
I don't know. He's doing nothing inside.
We have a lot of problems. We can't get him to court. I'm here. I'm glad that you're here today, but it's the third time.
I had a transportation.
But I scored him, I really speaks for him on all his, for his diagnosis, everything that's going on with him. I mainly speaks for him because he can't speak for himself. So I'm the one talks for him.
Okay. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes.
Wonderful. So what are your plans now? Okay. I'll appoint you guys a lawyer today. The only thing I'm going to ask you, Mr. Alley, don't use marijuana. Don't use illegal drugs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send him for a drug test right now, and I'm going to have him come back. Then I'm going to have you guys speak with a lawyer, and we'll figure out how to go forward.
Right.
Do not miss court anymore.
Because he on medication. They be telling him, don't take, because I be praying he don't, because he affect the medication.
I want to know now
and
if he's,
your mental will.
I'm telling you, no smoking marijuana.